best of them?
Yeah, man.
How are them done? Kong?
That's it.
Okay. You have to catch them? Okay, you're a diver. So your ear still, so okay.
Yeah.
Remember come here, boy, and we come and see every day, so your ear just stay red. Trust me.
Yeah, like, funny hand.
See every ear just stay red, man, for real, man. We're a boy, man.
Yeah. Get guy, Gideon, you know?
Yeah.
Right now. When you go die, give mama 10 grand. Say mama says she'll buy her gas.
Yeah.
Mama, you have the 10 grand and I tell me, so me have to go dive
You dive again?
But I dive again and go dig more than a 10 pack.
Yeah.
And I ball now and say, the whole of this is mine.
Alright!
I say, no, you say, I say, no, you have come in the barn clowning, you buy your gas and yam the rest. You no buy the gas and yam off everything, I who are the clowning.
Jesus Christ! I'm mushy.
I know she hungry now and I said, say, you go sell her fuck, I go sell her sub, anyone you want to do.
Anyway you want to take it.
Anyway you want to do it. Shall go shall teach them. So go and go do what you want to do.
Do what you have to do.
I have to give you my 10 grand again. At 22 days, so what the fuck you do to me? Eh? You don't want money, you want high girl.
I send you out there for the risk.
I buy your fridge and you make another man stab it with say my baby father.
What's that?
Alone him can't come in my apartment. I come catch her in them say, girl, me go for my gun and bust here. That's what you do. You mad? A man come with blood clot, him gun and a robbery. The man rob it, oh the man a robbery, sweet. The man say, Jack, first two out of this and give me a 4 grand and a bus one and give me a. I'm say, Mama, look here, look how the man has scam with our money. I do so. And give back the man him gun and I say, Mama, give me a hand. Come back, come eat a KFC. Another day, I have to one day and she and the man plan. The police must come for me. I say, me have gun.
Jano?
I'm here to say, officer, I scam the man, I scam her, the KFC money, and I see it and I say, him no want shit and shit, and I say, Mama, tell the police them when you see me with gun. No, you say, but everybody pass around donkey that, you say, I scam the man, I scam where? And I take off 4 grand off of it, and I fire it, I give back the man, and I say, come, so where you go to station go report for?
Yeah.
You make me feel like I kill your baby.
Sure, no.
I just have to show you how God good. I fire your day and I come on, stop it. I say, stop playing me. You don't want no more man. When you're hungry, no me, you're fine. When the baby want a pack of Alaska, a pack of pampas,
yeah, are you a baby? Are you a baby?
So she said, I still a spin me. I bring book pen, so everything go give her last night. I say, look.
Sure, no, star.
Me have it and nah, touch it for you have it that done again. I mean that have look for thumb clean your face.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
What do you mean me no want blood clot do it because if you have sense. Come buckle and you can buy a thing and come catch her with them.
Yeah, I bet man them to stab it. A true man, a joke thing that.
Joke suck my blood clot.
That man a clown should take it for bro.
I have to do that man, run going to the whole shop and show her how powerful it is.
Okay.
Blood clot here.
Because you have to dive, look how you dive to get your thing. Look how you know you can't face shark out there.
Millions of dollars this me I dive up and shark play me.
No much thing you can't face out now, see the bro.
Oh, they look for me and the man, me and the whole cut up and thing, me I show me and the crocodile mouth.
Let me see the count now, lift up them, let me see them. The count now, the count, let me see them. No man, I mean, okay, yeah. No, people, you see it. Dive, the man dive go see. To catch skunk, you know, bro.
Catch one of them boat there night. That's the face.
Them something like champ on the boat side.
Yeah, and bad content.
Alright.
More time on the road. Baby, maybe I say big man, pampas the buy now. I want to tell you. Pampas the buy there, you think I push on and give it. Badness again, no for this.
Make me ask you a question. When you go to the dive, what you use? Just the goggles alone?
Goggles and glass and fin them and everything.
Oh, I check say you just go out there as a superman. No? You use a goggles. You know some people have the breath there. Can go out there still in 3 hours, 4 hours. Yeah.
Johnny Chocho.
Oh?
Johnny Chocho.
Johnny Chocho. In Japan now.
Seapus.
Okay, Seapus, catch him.
Man, you have another man in Seapus.
Okay.
You have one girl in it too now, whole heap of them. You have one girl where them call Madam, what's she name? Something like Madam So. Catching in the water, she just a beat her with sea lick. So whop, whop, whop.
Madam So.
Madam So. And if you can't fight her in a sea lick, she knock you out in the water.
All about the same Madam So up a Central, up there so. Yeah.
She said one. And now look here. And now you beat her in a sea lick, she fuck you up in the water. You get that fuck?
Jaja.
Yeah. And you beat her in the sea water with the sea lick. Bada! Clap her up, and she have a weak and I look for yourself. She just bring your way out all of the ship and just say, eat this, you know.
Yeah.
Do what you want.
Do what you want, do.
It's
true. It's true. It's true. Yeah, man.
No, true, them with a see her, you know. And so I run a look of business and still I do a look of, take a look of balls, said we.
Yeah, man.
And enough time police are look for her, man. Take all the policeman gonna have it all over. Because the bad boy can't take it from her.
Can't take it from her.
Take her from her. You have put yourself in a trouble. You better allow her with that.
Yeah.
She gonna take a policeman gonna.
And she not going to prison.
Who are going to prison?
She not going to prison.
And them know where to find her.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, man, for real.
If I know, man, the shit, them would have her in a custody and lock up, but them all let her go. And them all sister already, right it?
So anyway, the more you take this thing to a different level, I mean, you told put yourself on a problem, you know.
No, man, no problem, no, you know my thing, man. And people have come with problem and I tell them, say, here, money over problem and evil and everything. So Andrew Wallace do. No one no done so on him. I want people who can highlight him and him know where I'm do with the money, you know.
I just talk about Andrew Wallace. This election will come up, you know, so Renzi will come and vote in there. You go vote?
Vote, I tell you, I don't have no idea if you vote, you know.
Okay, so basically you're not going to vote.
Everybody will vote, all people, the whole of them dead.
All of them.
People want to see them come with that vote, I still have to give them and this. Be dead people in the yard. You know, so John, know, them people are vote and them people are coming out to give them idea and the people them dead.
Dead. Sure, you know.
Yeah, say right now, them have for them thing and go on. One of my thing and go on and nah, I mean nobody and nobody nah, I mean.
Yeah. I know, sir. Renzi.
Now tell you this. Andrew Wallace can't lose election. Andrew Wallace a real bad man.
Yeah.
Andrew Wallace and all who run off them out and say, Andrew Andrew win already. I keep no one about this system win already.
Okay.
Andrew bad. Andrew not tell you that already say have him gun them. Bad boy, you know. He feel like a full prime minister. Ramp with him and see where him do. He just come out of your play with bada. And your community and you're under pressure, so you have to know Andrew Wallace is bad man.
Alright.
Bad man prime minister, we have to just love him and know we give him all of the rating. We not go bad, you have to just work with him, make the money and give him the badness. Anything we want with him.
Alright, that is it. That is it.
You know what I say? Andrew Wallace is the real man. He man a fra, real bad man. And also them bad and rare, them can't make rain fall. Andrew Wallace are cowards. Andrew Wallace a real bad man. Every man they look through all them crystal ball and say, fall rain fall, it will go fall.
Alright.
Man, they look how them man the program. Them man they there so this minute and you see him live, another minute down in the country live. Or you ramp with bad people.
Them here.
Andrew Wallace is bad and pick where boy put. Andrew Wallace can build house. Andrew Wallace can mix cement. Andrew Wallace is a builder. Him can't turn fisherman, him can't turn diver, him can't turn anything where he want to. That's why him are the boss. You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You don't let him down, because you hear what? When the fuck will start, Andrew Wallace will make you know so the fuck will responsible. Him are the boss. Don't go on like they want to do the fuck and like say you don't know, say me come here. Me come here.
Yeah.
And me come in all different forms.
Yeah.
You hear that? Andrew Wallace a real bad man, real prime minister bad man, and a joke bad man. About that you see him a do him local fishing, him a do him local diving, him a build less and a build less,
A real bad man.
Yeah, with him, a real bad man. That man there style.
Alright.
You
sell it for okay. So okay, but check that.
Yeah man, Andrew Wallace bad.
No, I mean the lobster, you sell the lobster, come see the pepper them there.
Yeah man, Andrew Wallace bad man. Everything we are doing right now, Andrew Wallace bad.
But check say catch the lobster and go sell people, you know, the man them sell oysters, you know.
Andrew Wallace badness we are working.
Alright my boss.
we say Andrew?
You say Andrew Wallace.
How we say the money for me?
Alright. Rasta, you know, you catch a fish yet.
And them man that the money, say, you know, Andrew Wallace.
Yeah, that is true, that is true.
Andrew Wallace bad is like.
You catch done it?
We need more money. They press out and thing, you know, Skype Andrew Wallace and just send so do America through the Skype for you.
And you get money?
You get everything I work for you.
Judge, and all them things you go and say, you don't know that. Rasta, you know that? So you get money?
Name and just say Andrew Wallace through the sky and you get where you forget money. It's them man that's like a miracle man, you know. So you have to know if you can see me and pay from people and see me and me and you, you know. Andrew Wallace powerful, you know. And just when you day and look for you, you can't see me, you know.
True, the eye, the Jamaican eye.
Yeah, you have to check the sky because the sky is a magnet.
Yeah.
One night,
Look here much money around him.
to call everybody and give people money. Me not get no more on my own, no.
And he was a prime minister. So who you go get him out? You can't get him out.
So it's September the 3rd of him.
Yeah man, and do one less badness.
Oh, Russia, landslide in Marine again?
Yes man.
I might get beaten in a landslide.
No,
Landslide,
man. I go far up man. I bet that
can't beat him, man.
But everybody else say I get beaten in a landslide. But me feel the card to the crowd look.
No, God.
Like everything swing, Jamaica swing.
All of the food give them saying.
My whole on the food.
Patient no man.
And that can't work.
Yeah, not just patient and just see the glory.
How much the people that want the food?
You walk anyway and do the badness and do all this badness and get the money.
Don't bite out so.
Yeah.
You know you're nice.
Yeah. Don't bother.
Take when you get a knife. Get the right time come now.
Okay. I'm check send the better for the people them just enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I like how your uncle a member of parliament. A member of parliament, you say? I'm sure I bet you enjoy life too.
No, man, make him enjoy life because nobody now look
Stop
on
it.
Nah, look.
Nah, stop it. Nobody now look on him.
Nobody now look on him like say, alright man there, get up from seaside man. No, get up man, go
Oh.
PP man.
So I'm giving that privilege to come.
Yeah, in thing where Andrew Wallace them are watching. And the whole of there Jamaica, we are need camera. No care what you say, I do. We are need camera.
Alright.
Because you see somebody a come down say, no, say it's a camera there.
Well, anyway, you know, so the whole Jamaica say a landslide is PMP though.
No, me not. Look here, I see PMP them. I give them preps, because them have 2 shillings in them pocket. Andrew Wallace not just kick where everybody foot and give them.
Andrew Wallace, which are all of them.
Him give them. All the PMP them. Remember Andrew Wallace win last year, you know. And him still give them.
2020.
I him give them, you know.
You all PMP take off them shirt and say, oh, me a turn, me a labor right.
Then I say,
them just eat food from the 2 parties.
Yeah, but you know, see people are switch over, take off them shirt and I say them switch back over.
Look here now, man. Them the Andrew Wallace, man. Andrew Wallace in them, so when them say them switch back right over them.
Alright, so to my Wednesday, we don't know where we're going. What is the rest of?
We know we are going already long time, you see that?
We know where we're going.
We know about one big clip and say we don't know where we are going. Because the boys where you go and the meditation up in the sky and you say, watch it.
Yeah, that might be a PMP win 10 blood clots seat.
It's like a power struggle, you know.
Against one another. The PMP win 10 seats, he win now.
Look here now, man.
No man, them said PMP win 48 seats.
He said he win 10 blood clots seats.
You hear what I say? Andrew Wallace go give them the preps. If them want to win, I them don't want to win. I him win, said.
Okay.
Not him on it.
Ah!
Look on a $2,000 bill and where you see. You see 2 prime minister on it. You say you have to wise up. Them man they tell you say, oh, wise up. Jamaica, over there Jamaica, cause we have dollar money, we have no money, we have bulletproof money, we have all kind of money. Say. You see a $2,000 bill, wise up in a politician with it and no say, here what? No war, because me have a $2,000 bill. Say, let me even have no ID for vote, me done vote already because me have a $2,000 bill. Me have the 2 man them on the party with me $2,000 bill. Say, I just saw the preps there. Just have a $2,000 bill and Andrew make it double. Andrew Wallace make that double. It reach about $20,000 when you have a $2,000 bill. Because you know idiot, you know about politics, that's why I make you walk with that $2,000. You make about the chicken take with the $2,000. Andrew Wallace money that. The bigger one, Andrew Wallace. Are you? Come on. Are you? Yeah man, I'm in charge of them amongst them man. See, I know
The whole world and the year where you have to say no. Yeah man, the whole world. So what do you name? Introduce yourself.
My name, them call me underwater still, you know, more power and jewelness, I hear that, and more strength and energy. Them man they show me nothing in a magic, and in a power, and in a real life, and show me say, yo, yeah, man, live to the standard where you can live. But they said we are watching.
Alright then.
The wrong thing.
Alright then. Alright, underwater.
Yeah,
Are you done sing about underwater? Alright, what is about Rasta now?
I'm in name Chip Black.
Chip Black?
Yeah, Chip Black.
Oh, Chip Black.
Yeah, two them know my bad.
Oh, okay.
Man kill my brother around that south.
Oh.
And a 9 me kill back in a couple days.
Eh?
Days.
Chano?
Oh, you mean 9.
Bombard! Them man, I don't want to read the money. I don't
Side down.
What you say?
Now tell them about my big brother when them kill around the Mackenzie Street there, so.
Yeah.
Michael School.
Mm.
And me never write down. I leave me put it pan. Block all police kill it. I turn it upside down pan them around there. I kill them out like balls.
Whoa!
Look after a little young girl. When they are with me? Yeah.
Chip Black. First you hear that?
Yeah, the man a general, a star, man.
The man a general a long time, man.
That's our boss, man. Say me a murder killer, brother.
Man, they say,
Yeah,
man. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
140.
Alright, one Chip Black. Big up yourself. To the world, see?
Long time.
What you say to the world?
I'm go one thing me I say to you all. Yeah, that. More money, more that draw away.
Alright. Alright, man, I look at my camera.
Alright, boss. And pick up yourself, you know.
Alright, man. Alright.
Peace and love. More money.
Alright,
Andrew
more.
Wellness, whole heap of money there. Andrew Wellness at the bar. I'm
Yeah,
money right now.
I was man in what 28 bank book.
Andrew Wellness.
Alright.
See that?
And government ask him this and that. What's the blood clot you? Me have my money before me a prime minister.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
See
Me
that.
build house, me build this, me dig grave. All the bomb up
I tell him say him are the boss, man.
Like boss.
Up and running. That man just say up and running and happiness. No make nothing get you done. You feel fresh, you just spin a roll and look up there.
Right. Money they are cool, no worry.
Andrew Wellness, no they are earth. Up in a sky him them, no they know where.
Alright, sir.
From your side, before you have to build up back.
Alright, sir.
We just what are we doing on there, sir? No?
Yeah, true, man.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Yeah, you hear me? They are dead when joke time and I run.
Yeah, man. Alright. So big up yourself, see? Yeah, man, out there, see?
Yeah, they were in the billboard.
Chip Black, big up. Yeah.
Can't get the drawing.
No, I look at my fine, but I don't find none. I don't see none. When I look at my fine, two bills to give, I don't find none. See? Alright then. Big up yourself, man. If anything, we'll circle back.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
But I know money, you know. And there you are, birthday.
Albert Genship, long time. Alright.
Said nothing about.
Alright, big up.
And so one day, blood champ when you want 2 bills. Eh?
Simple.
20 grand. Yeah.
Wallace, just like that.
All that.
That is it. That is it.
Right.
You copy? So we
I
live.
make piece of money. All that.
Yeah, man. That's how we live, man. Yeah, man. Every time today I see him here. One love. Yeah, people. So you don't know underwater and Chip Black. You don't hear? Those are for them talk, is it? So you don't know. Everybody have their own opinion on them.